Hey, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something super fun, a rainbow birthday cake-shaped Popit toy. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing the first layer of our cake. Great! That's the first layer. Now, let's add the second layer. Draw a smaller oval on top of the first layer. It's looking like a yummy cake already. Let's finish up the cake by drawing the third and final layer. Draw an even smaller oval on top of the second layer. Perfect! Our cake is ready. Now, let's add some birthday candles on top of the cake. Draw 3 straight lines on the top layer for the candles. Add small flames on top of each candle by drawing little teardrop shapes. Here comes the fun part. Let's make this cake into a Popit toy. Draw small circles all over the cake, covering each layer with poppable circles. These will be our fun Popit bubbles.
La da 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 dee.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Our drawing is complete, but let's make it pop by outlining everything with our black marker. Trace over all the lines to make them bold and sharp. Whoa! Look at our Popit birthday cake. It's ready to play with and it's dancing. Now it's time to add some color. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our cake super fun. Start coloring with me, and let's name the colors together. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Whoa! Look at our rainbow birthday cake Popit. It looks amazing and so much fun to pop. You did an awesome job. Don't forget to share your colorful drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.